Hey, hello guys, how you doing? In previous episodes we have learned about loops, right? Now it's time to add some more powers or specialty to the loop by the keywords or statements break, continue, I don't know what was that, and pass. So let's see about that. From up to this video we have do all the operation in a iterator. Now it's time to go for a Python editor, text editor. Now in this video, we are going to learn or see about break, continue and pass statements by the example of add and even and some numerical operation like let me put n equal to 10 and I'm going for a for loop because I know the range, right? I equal to 0. Before few hours I have done some C sheets, so that's why I'm following the same syntax here. For I in range of n. If I just need only 10 increments, it should be fine. But if I want to specify something more like it should be started from 1 and it should be end including n with the incrementation of 1, I can do things like that. So inside this video or inside this loop I'm just want to print exactly first to 5 numbers or 1 to 5, no matter how the n value is. Example, print I. If I specify n value equal to 100, I just need only 5. If I just print n value 10, I just need only 5. But if I just specified which are lesser than 5, I just need to go up to n. For that case, we can do something like breaking the loop at certain point. If I equal to 5, break. Otherwise, print. So let me save and run this. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, if I equal to 5, it just break the point at the moment whenever the I value incremented to 5. So if I to print the value of 5, either I can put the print statement here, print I, or else I can change the limit. So printing I and checking for condition is like a do while loop, right? Do the stuff first and check for the operation test. If you want to go with the normal loop, you can specify I greater than or equal to 5 or I equal to 6, like that. Let me show you. So now we got 5. If I specify greater than or equal to 5 and I put here, we will get 5. If I specify something like I greater than 5, we will get 6. So if you don't want the 6th value, we can put the print statement here. Now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how the break statement works. If the condition is passed, it will break the statement at the moment. Now it's time to talk about continue. Continue is the one which skip the iteration for the current position. If I equal to 5, let me continue this. Yeah, finally I have found the spelling for continue. So what it will do is it will print all those values but 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 printed, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 printed, but the 5 is skipped because whenever the condition is true and it reaches the continue statement, it will go for the iteration or it will go to the loop with the incremented value which is next to the ith value. So at the moment I equal to 5, it just go to the loop again and it will just do something like it will do the stuff with 6. So if I print the or put the print statement before the condition, it will print the 5. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So if we want to do some certain operation and we want to skip the rest of the things which are happening below, like let me print if I malo 2 equal to 0, print even, else print odd, and 0 is a neutral number, right? So we don't want to put something like odd or even to 0. So if I specify the condition like if I equal to 0, skip the path. So it will print everything, like it won't print odd or even for 0, and it will print 1 for odd and even for 2, like that. So if you want something to happen and the rest of the things to be skipped, we can go for continue. What is pass? Actually, he's a much more like me. Like he will hear or he was present, but nobody cares, like my videos. So if I equal to 5, pass, print I. So now we got 0 to 10 and nothing happened. Like if I remove the pass statement, it should do the same. Let me show you. 0 1 2 3 4 5 up to 10. So what is the specialty of pass here? Why we either need that? Actually, if I just want to print all the values after 5, so I don't want to do certain operation for the given range, like at the vice versa of continue. If I smaller than or equal to 5, pass, else print. So now we got 6 to 10. It was like a statement. We can't put the if statement empty. So if I do that, it will show something like something. Actually, this is the command. See, this is the specialty of pass. We can't put a if statement empty. It will show some error. So if you want a statement or if you want function or if you want something to be there, like if the condition should be there but the condition shouldn't do anything, like there is no meaning for that condition, or if you are writing a bunch of codes and it's just a specialty or functionality of that application and you are not defining a code for that time, like you are skipping that part. Let me show, like this is the login function and this is register function. So you are just dealing with the register function, you are not going to write code for the logging function, and you want the function should be inside this loop. So either you can choose the pass statement to get rid of the error, or else you can simply command the statement just like that. So whenever you are about to write the functionality, you can use that, right? So that's it, guys. That's the use of breakpointers, continue and pass. So we'll see a lot about list and dictionary on the up next videos. Bye.